How do I view hidden comments on Facebook?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to view hidden comments on Facebook. Sometimes, you might come across a post on Facebook that has hidden comments, and you may be curious to see what those comments are. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to uncover those hidden comments. Let's get started.
Locating the hidden comments.
The first step is to locate the post with hidden comments. These comments are typically hidden due to various reasons, such as being flagged as spam or violating community guidelines. Once you've found the post with hidden comments, it's time to reveal them.
Expanding hidden comments.
To expand the hidden comments, you'll need to click or tap on the X comments link that appears below the visible comments. This link indicates that there are additional comments hidden from view. By clicking on it, you'll reveal the hidden comments.
Reviewing hidden comments.
After clicking on the X comments link, the hidden comments will be expanded and displayed below the visible comments. You can now scroll through and read the hidden comments to see what others have said about the post.
Interacting with hidden comments.
Once you've viewed the hidden comments, you can also interact with them. You have the option to like, reply, or react to individual hidden comments, just like you would with visible comments. Engaging with hidden comments allows you to participate in the conversation and share your thoughts with others.
Reporting inappropriate comments.
While exploring hidden comments, it's important to note that some may contain inappropriate or offensive content. If you come across any comments that violate Facebook's community standards or guidelines, it's recommended to report them. Facebook provides reporting options to address such issues and help maintain a safe and respectful environment for users. Congratulations! You've now learned how to view hidden comments on Facebook. Remember, hidden comments may contain valuable insights or additional perspectives on a post. By expanding and engaging with these comments, you can have a more comprehensive understanding of the conversation taking place. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.